Alright, welcome to part 3 of the screencast for the T-table. Let's tackle these legs. So we're going to use intersect solids to make this fairly sophisticated cabrio leg. Again, it starts with importing our PDF and scaling it correctly. And I'll zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. And I'll activate the polyline tool, snap to angle to start, and I'm going to click here, and it's important that I get this to be 5.5 exactly so I can use the data display bar for that. I'll click over, click down, and then I'll just pick up some points, and now I'm going to turn off snap to angle. And I'm trying to just use points when the line really starts moving around and changing direction. I'll put one there, and I'll put one in there, and I'll use snap loop to actually place these last ones here because I'm having a hard time seeing it. It's so teeny weeny. And I'll turn snap to angle on to help me out with this one because I want vertical. And then I'll click over here, snap loop to zoom in. Probably have a few more snap loops going on here. Alright, turn off snap to angle. I'll put one there, one there. I don't like that one, so I can hit the delete key and it'll back me up one spot as long as I haven't double clicked. Alright, that's better. Now snap to angle is off. I'm going to turn off snap to object, see if that's getting in my way. Yeah. And then I'll click up here and click up here. I'll give myself one more there, and then a double click to end things. I'll close it using the object info palette just to make sure. And that's actually pretty close, but I need to go in now and change a bunch of those vertices to Bezier control points. I'll turn that one, and pretty much I want every vertex here along the swoopy part of the leg to be a Bezier. Same down here. Same down there. Anything that can change. Alright. Now I'll double click on that again to activate the reshape tool. I'll switch modes and go back to our resize. Looks like I probably need to stretch that one a little bit. I'll use snap loop to move that one. I got a little tuning up to do down here, but not much. I got to move that in. I'll actually use the zoom tool to zoom in down here, and then double click so I can see a little bit better. Boy, that all looks pretty good. I think I'll stretch this one out a little bit, get a little bit more curve. I'll go back to full page view. I'll zoom in a little bit, look at the back side here. I'll do a little bit more shaping here, but all in all, beginner's luck. Alright, I can live with that. So we've got some extruding to do, but we also need to turn this around quite a bit. I'll do the first extrude just so we can see it a little bit better, and I'm just going to extrude it, I don't know, 8 inches, just something big. It doesn't really matter what it is. Now I'm in a top plan view. I'm going to switch to a side view and rotate it around, and then that's what I want. I want to be able to look down on the top of it when I'm in a top view, look at the side of it in a side view, look at the front of it in a front view. This works okay. So I'll make a duplicate, Command D, and then I'll rotate the duplicate. So I have my crisscrossing shapes there. I'll select them both, have my cursor on the edge of one of the objects and right click or control click, and the cursor's context sensitive, so because these are solids, I now get these solids, some of the commands here. So I'll intersect solids, and let's see how we did. There's our, I'll give it a color. There's our cabriole leg. Pretty slick. I'll switch to a front view. I'll go back to wireframe. Now because of our joinery, I'm going to double check our dimensions here. This is where our apron joins in, and I have issues with my computer. I can't see dimensions in a 3D view, but I can see the length here is 5.5. That's the height of all of our aprons, so I want that area where the apron will join the leg to be 5.5 as well. So all is good there. Another look at our legs, and we'll put it all together in the next screencast.